Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to build a project on Behance in super easy and super simple steps. So let's just get right in there and see how we can do it. Of course, I have already logged into my account, so that's something you have to do. And you don't have to upgrade to Pro or anything. As you can see, my account is not Pro as well. And I can already do a lot of stuff, and I will show you how to do those stuff as well. Of course, in my For You page, I will be seeing a lot of other projects, but we want to share and build our work. So first of all, in the main page here, I will go to the top right corner, right here guys, and click on share your work. When you say share your work, you can say project, like build a complete case study, service, or a work in progress, posts that expire in 24 hours. But I want to do a project, so I will click on a project. So I will say, as you can see, start building my project. I can say images and everything, and I can take different stuff. I can do texts, I can do photo grids. I would have to do stuff like that, or just insert media, insert text. That wants me to add stuff from my own, so that's a no-no right now, because of course we want to use other types of visuals. Of course, I'm pretty sure I can just add text, I can add the 3D stuff, of course, and I can do a lot of stuff. I will just go ahead and change the background color first and foremost, like this. And let's just go ahead with a text right here. The start of a design. I will just make sure this looks new. Make it middle, make it big, make it stand out. Let's just, exactly. I will make it thick and italic. And then, of course, I can change it in the settings and everything, which will need me to upload a cover image and everything, but we'll see those in a second, guys. Don't worry about it. I want to get a picture. Let's just get a picture. Of course, we want to add images and everything. We can add videos and audios, we can add text, we can add embeds, we can add prototypes. Of course, these need embed codes. That's why we're not gonna go super heavy on those. So let's just start with a design. Design TY nuts, or just a normal design, and see how things go. Okay, let's just take this picture for example. Like this. And then I can say image and add the image to my project immediately. Just like this. I can do the same thing with videos, audios. Of course, if you have used Adobe Lightroom before, you can also take stuff from Adobe Lightroom itself. Of course, that would be easy as well. I'm going to do a little photo grid here. Add photos to create a grid. That's why we need multiple pictures. So I'm just gonna do something more akin to this. Let's just do this. No, not EVI files. I don't like working with EVI files. I'm just gonna do PNGs and JPEGs. That should be our primary goal, because they are much easier and simpler to use. I'm just gonna do this to create a grid. So of course, when I do something like this, I would want to change how my visuals look as well. So I can just say add to change the color, change the design. As you can see, I already have my grid. This grid will be, yes, looks better like this. I can like reorder the grids, edit the grid. As you can see, like I can change the order, which I think makes it look better. It makes it stand out a little more. And when you are done with the project, like in general, like let's say this is the design you want to like show off to people, just say continue. And when you say continue, you give your project a title. First design. Project tags, design, passion, and stuff like that. What tools, software, none. Graphic design, illustration, design, advertising, advertising. Let's just say everyone, of course, because we want people to see it. And when it's done, I can say publish to finish up the project and publish it for everyone to see. Now it will be, of course, I will also get a link for this. And if I go to my Behance profile, I will be able to see my first design. That's generally how that goes, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the other videos as well. Have a great day and goodbye.